Have you ever wanted to share someone's story on Telegram? If you're not sure how to do it, stay tuned until the end of the video. First, I want to mention that whether you can share someone's story for another person to see depends on the privacy settings of the account whose story you're sharing. If someone has set it so that only their contacts can see the story, then a third person won't have access to it. Now, let's demonstrate by sharing a story. I'll open a story on Telegram. For example, I'll share this one. When you find the story you want to share, click on this arrow here. Select your Telegram contact. Then, you can add a comment that will be sent along with the story. Click the send button, and that's it. Here's the story along with our comment. That's all for this short video. If you enjoyed it, please share and like it. Subscribe to our channel for more smart and simple tutorials.